Welcome to the FEMA Public Assistance Grants Portal Grants Manager video series, Introduction. Beginning in 2017, the FEMA Public Assistance Program, also known as PA, takes a leap forward in transparency, accountability, and productivity through the implementation of a new delivery model, which increases efficiency and reduces time throughout the PA process, based upon a project's size, cost, and complexity, as opposed to employing a one-size-fits-all approach. The new model is built on deployed FEMA PA staff, working directly with applicants and recipients, while being supported by FEMA staff stationed at Permanent Consolidated Resource Centers, or CRCs. Powering this new approach are two secure cloud-based websites with mobile apps: Grants Manager, used by FEMA staff, and Grants Portal, used by state and local governments, tribes and territories, as well as members of the private nonprofit community, also known as PNPs. Combined, these applications provide a single collaborative workspace for both FEMA recipient and subrecipient staff, as well as helping to establish a common operating picture across the entire recovery effort. Recognizing the difficulty of using paper forms, spreadsheets, and non-standardized local response, PA response efforts have been consolidated and replaced by the Grants Manager and Grants Portal websites and mobile apps to provide a modern customer relationship experience. Through Grants Manager and its state-of-the-art workflow functionality, FEMA coordinates the work needed to aid potential applicants in the grant development process, including working with potential recipients to explain available grants through an RPA, or Request for Public Assistance. This allows potential recipients and applicants to receive alerts, coordinating communication between Program Delivery Managers, or PDMGs, throughout the entire RPA approval process. Recipients and applicants utilize the Grants Portal website and mobile apps. The system is always available, so organizations may set up and manage their important details in advance to facilitate disaster response, such as uploading important insurance information. They may also assign and schedule staff, collect and receive information, easily submit supporting documentation in one consolidated location, review damage descriptions and dimensions, also called DDDs, monitor progress, and finally review and approve submitted grants. Now let's look at the system through a disaster response scenario. In the aftermath of a tornado and a subsequent presidential declaration, the entities within a declared county may submit RPAs. Upon logging on to the Grants Portal website, an administrator for the appropriate organization sees this alert notification and clicks its link to begin the RPA process. After submitting the RPA through the Grants Portal, the applicant may begin providing information related to their damages. PA staff work with recipients to determine eligibility of the application based upon the information provided. Applicants, such as counties, cities, and PNPs, submit RPAs directly to the recipients and FEMA via the Grants Portal. The Grants Portal routes the RPA first to the recipient, the state, tribe, or territory, for approval first. FEMA then determines the applicant's initial eligibility after the recipient review. After an RPA has been approved, and an applicant is deemed eligible for public assistance by FEMA and the recipient, the Program Delivery Task Force Leader, or PDTFL, associated with the event, assigns a Program Delivery Manager, a PDMG, to the applicant. After being assigned, the PDMG is prompted to contact the recipient and applicant to schedule the exploratory call. The PDMG, applicant, and recipient will work together utilizing the Grants Portal throughout the process of developing the damage description and dimensions, all the way through scoping and costing. Back on the recipient and applicant side, through the Grants Portal, users of the system can monitor the current step in the workflow for their RPAs and projects as they are processed. From pre-disaster organizational setup through damage scoping and costing, the entire PA process is now more efficient, transparent, and better organized through the Grants Manager and Grants Portal, websites, and mobile apps. Thank you for watching. Additional videos are available on the official FEMA PA Grants Portal Grants Manager YouTube channel. Please see the user guides and help documents on the PA SharePoint site and upon request from your program delivery manager. And contact us through our support email.